So for this week's Trades of the Week, we're going to take a look at a number of the end-of-day trades that have triggered over the last sort of week to 10 days. Just a bit of an update on how some of those have been getting on. There's been a lot of trades this month, actually. Just looking at those end-of-day opportunities, there's been 16 different trades, and many of them moving on very, very well. That's out of our sample list of 38 different markets there. And let's just open it up with a look at gold. Now, gold gave us a buy back on the 8th of October last week, so at 12.21, give or take, really. Now, sort of, well, moved 100 points very quickly, really. Typically, on these end-of-day charts for FX indices, commodities, we tend to like to go for 100 points because it's quite simple to follow, it's easy to identify, and also it just tends to work, quite frankly. We're up, over 3,000 pips this year just on that basis, and really just looking for the buy here, you can see actually we hit our 100 pip gain literally on the first day, even if you weren't quick to get out. Do you know what? You certainly should be out by yesterday, or indeed slightly fresh highs on today's gold price there. So really nice profits to be had there on the gold chart, and that was how it's been for quite a number of trades over the last few days. Certainly a trade that gave us an opportunity sort of a couple of weeks ago now, back on the 3rd of October, really starting to gather pace now. We're about 200, nearly 300 pips up on this trade now, believe it or not. It's quite a volatile market, sterling New Zealand, but of course, the inflationary data that came out today, sterling's taking a real bit of a killing, really. Yeah, moving down really nicely in line with our trade direction, so picking up some really decent profits there as well. New Zealand US dollar not moving anything like as fast as sterling New Zealand, but still picking up some decent profits. And I look at the New Zealand US dollar chart here, very quick profits on that one. Back from the 6th of October, there was the buy at 78.32, the market moving up to 79.71. So best part of 140 pips or so within sort of 3 days. And again, just keeping that scoreboard ticking over with another 100 pips notched up there. Dollar yen, I find this a really interesting chart here. We took this original trade back on the 2nd of October. Now, in the workshop on the following Monday, we were talking about this trade that Friday, non-farm payroll screaming up, and you see there thinking, oh God, this trade is looking horrendous, and it was to begin with. But did it take out our stop? No. Did it subsequently reverse back down? Yes. And did we take our profits on it? Yes, we absolutely have. And another 100 points plus chalked up on dollar yen there. The final trade for this week's Trades of the Week is a look at euro sterling, which is again moving higher today. Again, not surprisingly, given the inflationary data that came out in the UK. There was the buyback again on the 2nd of October. Of course, it's a bit of a slower animal, isn't it, euro sterling? It takes a while for it to get up there, but eventually decided to rocket up yesterday and really push through again today, notching up once again another 100 pip gain on euro sterling there. So from 78.45, we've now moved through to a high of 79.55. So 110 points we've done there. So regardless of where your spread's going to be, doesn't matter how inefficient your broker is, you have to be out and you have to have taken your profits there. So that's where we are with those 5 trades for this week's Trades of the Week. 5 really nice end-of-day trades. Easy to spot them, easy to identify them, getting on those trades that come 10 o'clock at night, and some great opportunities to be had there. So anyway, hoping for a bit more of the same in next week's video as well. Time will tell.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.